Oh, it's open. It's so much open. Well, that's not good. I have spilled. Hello everyone, and today's video is a review video where I'm going to review this Lancome product. It's a natural yet noticeable lash trio. Okay, it says featuring 2 full-size products. Go ahead, let them ask if your lashes are real. I think that's a French or Spanish, I don't know. Helps to lengthen and outline each lash for lavishly long, perfectly defined eyelashes just in time for the holiday season. So I bought this was a limited edition. I don't know if it is still available there or not, but that's from Lancome. That was the packaging, and I forgot, I think it was like 44, it was 45 Canadian dollar, and I bought it from Hudson Bay, and I also got a gift with it, which is another thing. Anyways, so I really love the packaging. The packaging is really good, and it contains 3 products. One is makeup remover, which I definitely needed, and there are 2 mascara. One is sort of white one, and another one is black one. This is the packaging looks inside. This is the Lancome makeup remover, bifacial double action eye makeup remover. Okay, I haven't used it yet. And these are the products. Okay, according to them, they claim that it makes your lashes insanely long. So what I'm going to do, I will use on one eye this one, and on my another eye I will use my Clinique mascara, and I will see which one makes the more difference on my eyelashes. If you're wondering about this eye look, you can watch my video of this Kashi inspired eye look. On this eye I will apply this one. Okay, that's the texture. It's a sort of white, and you can also curl your lashes, but I'm not doing it. Feeling a bit like this mascara is a bit dry. Even though it's not my first time to use it, I have already used it, but whenever I use, even for the first try, I felt it's a bit less product. I think I don't feel like they have a plenty of product in that. So I have just applied the one coat. Now on my another eye I'm using my Clinique mascara. I really love that mascara. Okay, and it's always full. I don't know, I have used it a lot of time and it's always full. That's my Clinique eyelashes. Okay, I think this one is looking it's not looking longer, so let me apply it another coat. I have applied on both of my eyes. On this eye I have applied the Lancome one, and I want to show you. This is the length of my eyelashes, and for Clinique you can see there's a little bit difference in both of the eyelashes. If I think this makes sense. You can see this one is more longer, elongated, and this one they are more thicker, but they are not that much elongated. I personally feel the Lancome one makes your lashes longer, but it does not make your lashes look like you can see the thicker one. But if you are looking on both of my lashes, even this one is not looking so longer, but it's still looking thicker and filler. And in this you can see the eyelashes, they are separated and they are not looking, they are looking longer, but they are not looking thicker. So you can tell me the difference in the comment below, that which difference you have found on my left eye, either it's looking more longer eyelashes, or my right eye with the Clinique one, it's that one is looking more longer. Now I'm going to show you the makeup remover. I'll remove the makeup from my eyes. So it's so difficult to open this bottle. I think I have to take the help of my husband. So my husband helped me to open this. So you have to press it and then you have to open it. So there is a seal. Okay, I didn't open it, but I think it was just in this way. And oh, it's open. It's so much open. Well, that's not good. I have spilled. So that's not good. That's a downside of that makeup remover. Like, you know, you literally, I have just spilled it on my whole hand. You can see, and even on my table too. Thank God I didn't have my laptop down there. Okay, that's good. It's so gentle. And you can see the condition of my because I have spilled so much, so I'm trying to just clean it with the same wipe. No doubt this eye makeup remover is too good, because first it's not letting my skin dry. Second, it has cleaned all the glitter eyeshades. It's always difficult to clean them. And it has also cleaned my eyebrows. Even though it's just an eye makeup remover, but I have almost removed the whole of all makeup from my face. So what if it's just an eye makeup remover? So the back thing of this eye makeup remover, it does not have any sort of, you know, dropper sort of, and there is, you know, you can, it's difficult to open, but once it is open, you can see it's open and it's liquid, so there is a chance that you can spill, and unfortunately I did spill. And this one is also not tight, so I can make a hole, and you know, so it can protect the rest of the bottle. But beside that, I really like this eye makeup remover, because it's just removed all the eye makeup that I had, and it just didn't give my eyes a drying effect, and it's not feeling, you know, most of the time when you wipe your eye makeup with a makeup remover, then you start feeling the stiffness in your eyes. So I'm not feeling all of that. So definitely Lancome eye makeup remover, and I have reviewed lots of good review about this eye makeup remover, and I think all the reviews, they are correct. So tell me in the comment below what's your opinion about this product, if you have used one, and if you're not using this one, which product you are using and you think it's better than the Lancome one. Bye bye.